Hi guys, it's Eva from LC Site. If you are looking for a site suppliers, let me tell you why LC Site is your best choice today. Let's go, right? Right now, check our factory first. Here is one of our production areas. They're responsible for neon sites. Every day when they receive new orders, they will divide the work quickly and complete different demands. All of them have a wealth of work experience and excellent craftsmanship. Many customers are very satisfied with our neon sites. Right now, let's go to the second part. There are different kinds of products in our factory every day too. Though sometimes we receive many orders in a day, they can arrange well from production to delivery. We have a quicker rear so you don't need to worry about this. Let's go to the next. When selecting suppliers, most customers will also check after-sales service in advance. If our customers have any problems with their products, we will solve quickly to let them use successfully no matter when. We always put customers in the first place. Let's go! So hope this video can help you know more about LC Site, a site manufacturer who pursues quality and service first and could provide a complete industrial production chain with high efficiency, stable production, and the best after-sales guarantee. Last, I want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and social platforms for the latest news. See you next time, guys!